ENGEL dialogue, which I already explained you. This has been inaugurated a couple of years before, where you will be able to see our products, how the ENGEL history went, and all the new, from the new products to the old products which has been made. This will be displayed here. You can go through one by one. On the wall you can see few numbers here. So here what it shows is that 74,500. It means that small machines which has been sold in the market, small and medium sized machines. And there you can see that 11,500 large machines have been sold to the market, and 24,000 roboter has been sold to the market. Here it's also, you can see that e-motion, the number of e-motions, all electric machines which has been sold are 10,300, and the elastic machines which are 7,550, and the robot 20, it's 1,200 robot, Pico robots has been sold. A Victory, which is also in all the market, you know that it's the only machine in the market, which is a C-frame machine without tie barless. It's almost 8,100 machines in the market. Two platinum duo machines, which are 14,950 machines in the market.
Yeah.
Here there are few exhibits. What you see here, it is was ENGEL. First of all, it started with a toggle lever presses. You can see here in the 1950, which was being made. You can also show that there is another press which was made a bit earlier. You can come here. So it was made in the manufacturing year 1948. It is a hand lever punch horizontal type.
This is made in 1948.
Yes. And here you can see a swivel arm punch which was made in 1949. So you can see in the year to year. So in the 1915 here you can see a toggle lever press, a model KHP 30, which is from the year 1950. So from developing and manufacturing lever presses, that ENGEL went into manufacturing of injection molding machines. Here you can see an injection molding machine which was fabricated in the year 1958.
This is made in 1958.
Yes.
You can even see the hopper loader of those days. This was the first injection molding machine made by ENGEL.
Yes.
Yeah. So very unique and very. Repeat.
The constant innovation of the ENGEL on the period of years, it turned into the you can see a 1991 tie barless Victory machine,
Okay.
which is the only one which is the machine in the market which is available now without any tie bar. It's the ENGEL pattern design with a robot. You can also see the whole controller.
So this is the same design of 1989, or
No, it's I think
you are upgraded?
it's upgraded. So see, it's the old version.
No.
in which,
Currently, you are selling the similar machines in.
yes, the C-frame or the tie barless machine is still available in the market, but there are a lot of technological changes which has been happening.
So you want to say that this is a patented
It's
technology?
the only patented technology which is available in the market, which gives you huge freedom for the processors or the mold makers or the manufacturers to put the mold easily into the mold without any hindrance in the mold area, so that which doesn't have a tie bar, which works on a C-frame.
Yeah.
So here you can see few of the stepping stone how ENGEL grew up to this level. So ENGEL Group, customer was always in the center. It is a customer-centric company, and also the proximity to the customer. How can it happen? Today you are in Schwertberg, but we are from India, so we are there. So we are very close to the customer, giving solutions and services. This is also one of the regions that ENGEL became globally present and giving continuity to the customer. So what about continuity? It's not only because of giving service, it's a family-owned company. This is on the 4th generation. So it's run by the 4th generation. ENGEL, it's not only the injection molding machines, we also work very closely with the partners in the industry. So that we have in each and every industry, we have like mold makers giving some process-oriented solutions. There are a lot of solution partners which we work more than 25 years, that we are able to also provide turnkey solutions by complete solutions to our customers.
Stalin, it is nice to see you here in Schwertberg and visiting ENGEL. Maybe I think this is a 5th visit for me, and I saw the growth happening in different sectors. Like, what are the sectors you focus in Indian market, and what are the key growth for the Indian market for you to focus on?
Okay. Before going to the sectors for the India itself, I would like to briefly explain about where ENGEL is present. So we are concentrating into 5 different business areas, which is automobile, technical molding, medical, packaging and electronics. So talking about the Indian market, I think most of the 50 to 60% of our Indian market is driven by the automobile industry. And we see a positive growth in the automobile industry sector, which is attempt to grow between 10 to 12% of the growth. And we also see a lot of things happening in the areas of lighting and also for the EV, electric vehicle sectors. So there we see a huge opportunity for us. Second of all, when we coming to the medical industries, there is a huge development which is going on, which is driven after the COVID, and also the measures which has been made by the Indian government, that there are several initiations which has been taken to bring all the manufacturing capacities from China to India. So for this reason, we see a huge tendency of components, medical components, packaging components, which will be produced in the market in the next year. And there we see a huge potential in a growth of more than 10%. So this is a huge opportunity. Packaging, it is also has 10 plus growth. But for us, I think that is a very price sensitive market, which is something which is not achievable for us with our product. But still, we see there are few niche areas where we could place it. Electronics, it's a smaller market. So frankly saying, in a nutshell, what I see is an automobile I would put in first place for ENGEL. Second, we will put this medical, technical molding. That's a huge wide spectrum of products which are available in the Indian market. But there, all the other manufacturers or producers which are available, or the Indian or the other Asian colleagues who are very active in that. That's a very price sensible market, which is very hard for us to enter. So what we are going to do is also our new products is the Wintec, which is the ENGEL family. So it has been made in China. So we manufacture machines from the range of 350 to 2,400 tons. So we will try to use this product to achieve this market, or to focus into the automobile industry and also into the technical molding business. So this is the focus or the strategy for the next months and years.
What are the challenges you face in India? You said it's a price sensitive market. Other than this, what are the challenges you face in India?
See, price is one of the key concerns. So I think, being a European company, we are a high quality product which we cannot offer in a different way. So price is the concern, and it will be a concern for this thing. The second thing is the service support. This is something which is really needed. I think in India, service the key element which has to be given, that we are good at. So this is something which is given. In addition to that, spares local available. This is something that in most of the cases, for the spare parts has to be imported from the parent company to the Indian market. So this is one of the concerns, because they have to go through different process. The company has to internally they have to make a claim, then they have to make the payment, so it has to go to the banking sector. So it takes a bit of time for them to get the part, so that the machine is standing there, they are losing the money. So these are the few constraints. In the last 2 years, what happened after the COVID is that the shipping prices has increased tremendously. So that if they have to buy a machine, almost 10 to 20% of the cost additionally goes only for the shipping. Additionally, depends upon which country it comes from, you have the import duty. So that means that these are something that which is driving the price very higher, and also the raw material has increased, so that the customer is in a position that they have to absorb a lot of additional costs, not from the machine itself, and also for the material cost. That is going to create a huge that is creating a huge constraint for a company like us. So this is one of the constraints I would like to say.
What message you want to give to the Indian plastic processing industry?
See, as a message, as a machine manufacturer, as an European machine manufacturer, what ENGEL stands for is an innovative product which gives you consistent quality, long lifetime, higher return of investment, low energy cost. This is something that the ENGEL machines can give. These are the solutions. And in addition to that, we have several tools of IQ tools, which is thought into the direction of Industry 4.0, which helps you to operate the machine in a way, or in a sense that the information, the machine will help you to guide you to optimize by itself, or to give you the information which can be optimized. So for example, like IQ clamp control, IQ weight control. What does IQ weight control stands for? If you are using a large amount of recycled material, and there could be a chance of a lot of process variations, so that it will reflect in the end product, so the quality will lose. So the machine itself is very intelligent, that it automatically senses it and changes the short weight it has to be injected in. So these are one of the examples. So we also have in the area of the clamp control. So these are the solutions what we can give for. In addition to that, we also have our own MES system, which is called as authentic thinking. This is also something that which is going into the direction of taking in all the data, and you can see the analysis. This is also something we could do. In addition to that, ENGEL itself is that we call, when we send our engineers, they can also work with coat and suit. They don't want to get dirty. So the machine is so intelligent that it can give a lot of status reports, and also very easy to operate, and also in the sense of ease, very easy to identify the errors. So the machine is so developed in the sense that it is thought for the future. It is easy for the operator, and also for the company. It is very easy to manage the machine.